So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add drop shadow to text here in Inkscape. So once Inkscape is opened up, I want you to go ahead and add some text to your design. So I'm going to go ahead here and just add some text right here. Once that is done, I will go ahead, make it a little bit smaller, and I'll make the color orange. So it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Once that is done, press in the text right here and duplicate it. So I can press Cmd D on the Mac. You can also go up to the top here, press duplicate right here, and then you guys get two copies. So once your second copy is created, I'm going to go ahead and do the color of the drop shadow. So I'll go ahead and make it black. So I'll actually change this to orange. I'll change the top part to black. So this is my second layer. I'm going to place over top to where it looks like I have some drop shadow. So if I wanted to keep the drop shadow like that, for example, you can go ahead and do that. And that's kind of the simplest way to do it. If you want to change the opacity of the drop shadow part, simply go ahead, press on the text right here, go to the top, press on object, and then press lower to bottom to get this bottom layer. Then press the bottom layer right here, press the bottom layer. I then want you guys to go to this left side right here. There's a bunch of different options right here where it says opacity. Just go ahead and slide it. You can go ahead and slide it whatever way you're looking for. So if I wanted to slide the opacity to that, I can go ahead and do that. Go back to object. I'll go back to lower to bottom to bring the orange text right here. So that's how you guys can add drop shadow to text here in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.